Hey you guys, what's going on? It's Coach Mena here. Super excited to be with you back at it again. Y'all, today I went in the mail and I checked. I have my Selflender check, y'all. And I wanted to give you another update of Selflender for this journey that I have took, saving $1,600. And I wanted to let you know what has been my progress, what I have accomplished, and so much more after I finish paying off this good debt for me. So first thing first, y'all, we're going to be talking about the Selflender credit card, because yes, I do have it. I was super excited when I received it. Self credit card had allowed me not only to purchase grocery, purchase clothing, purchase my cell phone, pay my bills, pay my rent, pay my phone bill, and so much more, y'all. And let me not forget travel. I was able to travel with my Selflender. I was able to pay my ticket, pay my hotel with my Selflender with no problem, y'all. Today was the day that I was like, woo, yes, I did it. I was so proud of myself. And this journey that I have took, it was self-sacrificing, but I knew I wanted to do it. And of course, as you grow, you want more. So you have to self-sacrifice, self-discipline in order to get your goals accomplished. And that was one of them. So let's talk about it, right? So I started off with my credit score of $549. And it had improved with 74 points. It had improved to $623. The reason why is because I have not paid, okay? I have not paid my debt yet. That I have 2 debts that I have to pay, and then I'll be well off. So this year, guys, my hair. This year, y'all have to encourage me to pay it, because I need my accountability partners and I have to get it done. And I said this year is definitely the year, because it's hindering me to accomplish other things, such as business credit, such as getting myself a house or getting myself a car. That's definitely hindering me. And I want to clean up my credit, and be able to help my daughter establish her credit as well before the age of 18, right? So you guys, I'm super excited, because I would have never thought that a company was going to be created and designed the way it is. It is so fun for me to save now. I don't mind putting to Selflender $100, $80, $200, $600. I don't mind it, because it's doing its work. I'm able to use it. I don't only have to let it be hold, but I'm able to use it for emergency purpose. And a lot of people has done a study that not even our generation has $1,000 in an emergency savings account. Not even $1,000. And I was like, what? I gotta change that. I have to look at myself, and I did, and I have done it. So my credit card, right? My credit card limit for the total security deposit is $1,625. And guys, I'll be spending my money. and I'll be adding my money back. And I thank God that God has given me the resources and continuously giving me stability. Honey. Now, let's open up this check, because I was not able to add all the money that I had saved. So Selflender gave me some money back after you finish your whole year, right? So let's do it. Okay, so Selflender has sent me $40 left. What I'm able to do with this, I'm able to go to the cashier, and I'm going to create another video where I'm going to go to the cashier. Let me, what's the date? Let me see the date, 11/17 of 2020. I hope you guys are able to see that. So, in that, y'all, I'm able to cash it out and buy whatever I want, actual money in your pocket. What I did want to say, with a credit card, you're able to take out money. But this is the way I have done it. And I didn't think that it was going to work. I send money to my sister, or I send myself money to PayPal, and then resend that money to me so it could be actual cash. I can have it in my card because I do have a PayPal business credit card where I'm able to have the funds there for me. So you guys are not able to take out money from the card. Now, the next thing, what I wanted to say is it works like an exact credit card. Okay, so you have to be mindful to make these payments. Make these payments. After you're done making yourself lender security card, after you're done accomplishing your goals, now it's time for you to make yourself payment, because Selflender is giving you the opportunity to build credit even though your credit is messed up, right? So for that, I'm definitely grateful. And the next question is going to be, am I going to create another Selflender account for 2021? And in my heart is yes. Because if you created this as a hobby, you have to continuously keep building this hobby. I also received a letter where they wanted to increase my credit score, and I was like, no, my credit limit. I was like, yes, that's what I want. That's what I truly need, because I need a credit card limit of $3,000. And I was like, oh my God, I can't wait for the opportunity, right? It says my credit card utilization. So guys, be mindful. You want to have a credit utilization of 30%. And I know it's kind of hard, because soon as you get your card, you want to spend it, and you just know you have money in your pocket. So, because you got money in your pocket, girl, you don't be mindful of the spending. You know that you're going to be able to pay it back, but that's not how credit works. They want to see you spend 30% of this credit score in order for them to give you a better credit limit. So make sure that you pay it down. I have a credit utilization of $66, my bad. And it says high utilization warning. Your credit utilization is high. It's very high. Try to pay it down, your balance, as soon as possible to avoid hurting your credit portfolio. Okay? So definitely, guys, read about that, and I'll be leaving a link down below. In order to get started, of course, I'll be leaving the link down below. Give me 1 second. Let me see what else. And for this year is my $1 million question for me. And is, should I go with the 1,600 mark so I could do it all over again? And I say, absolutely. Let's go. Let's go. Because I feel like even though I'm not going to get the $3,000 as I expected it, I'm going to create my other Selflender, and this time I'm going to have that credit card, but I'm not going to touch it. That's what I'm going to do. I am not going to touch it, because that's going to be my truly emergency fund, because I am still using this. I pay off my bills with this. So I encourage you, if you got one, you got to get yourself another one. You got to get yourself another one. Why? Because you don't want to keep hurting your credit score, and you truly want to have an emergency stash in case of anything. What else I do want to say? Can you add a person to your Selflender credit card? No, not yet. They have not made that possible. They do send you your statements, which that's amazing. And I can't wait to see what other products they build. I love Selflender. No complaints. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for taking the challenge for yourself and investing in yourself. That's the reason why I like the word self-lender. You're lending it to yourself. The same way you put money, you give God your 10%, you got to give yourself 20%, 30% in this generation. Have a 30% goal. So, guys, bye y'all. See you in the next one.